This video shows how to send a fax from your LaserJet printer. Begin by pressing the power button on the printer. Make sure the printer powers on and is in a ready state. If the document you want to fax is a single page, load it onto the scanner's flatbed glass. To do this, lift the scanner lid and place the document face down in the upper left corner of the glass. Then close the scanner lid.
Before heading ahead into the video, in case you are facing any issue with your HP printer device, get in touch with our HP printer expert.
If you have multiple pages that you want to fax, use the printer's automatic document feeder, also known as the ADF. To use the ADF, first align the stack of paper you want to fax by tapping it on a flat surface. Load the paper into the ADF with the printed side face up. Slide the paper width guides inward until they stop at the edge of the paper. Do not push the guides in so tightly that they start to bend the paper. Once the document is loaded into the printer, you can enter the destination fax number on the printer's number pad. Next, press the green Send Fax button. This button looks like a phone next to a piece of paper. The printer will scan the page or pages and then send the fax to the number entered.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to smash that like button and hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of our videos, and in the case face any problem, get in touch with the experts.